I've been using Motormates for over 20 years now. I used to be a taxi driver, so I used to bring my vehicles in for them to sort my vehicles out and get them ready for servicing and testing. They do a good job, and if it's not right, you can come back and see them and they'll sort it out. Another thing about it is if you've got a little problem and you're not sure about it, you can pop in, they can have a look at it, and if they can sort it, they'll sort it. If they can't, then they'll make arrangements to get you in and sort it. If there's something wrong, they tell you it's wrong. If there's no wrong, they tell you there's no wrong. But you can rely on them to do what wants doing and be honest with you. You end up feeling like one of the family instead of being a customer. I definitely recommend Motormates, yeah. I recommend them to anybody that asks me if I know whether it's a decent garage.